Hello everyone, welcome to Murf AI full tutorial. In this Murf AI full tutorial video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a speech out of text and a video out of the same text. That actually sounds pretty good. You can use this to make your YouTube and TikTok videos or audio as you wish. It seems difficult, but I can assure you that by the end of this video, you will be a pro in using text which you have written or generated from some AI. It does not matter where you got it, to make audio or a video. If you stay with me till the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can even monetize the skill and make ridiculous money. So, stay tuned. I'll leave a link in the description below that allows you to access a free trial for Murf AI. Make use of it. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna appreciate it. Let's now get right into it. So, if you do not have an account, check out my description below. I have a free trial that you can use for your demos. So, first things first, we will start off by signing into the account. It's pretty much easy. So, just put in your email, then password, then click login. And here we go, right into my Murf AI account. So, as you can see, the platform appears easy to understand, and we've got just a couple of features. Here on the left, we have the home and template features. The other features we're going to focus on because they are the most important in becoming a pro of Murf AI. So on this home feature right here, we have the option to create a project, create a folder and invite teammates. So, as we will see later in this video, when you click the create project feature, it allows you to make the desired audio or video from your text. Stay tuned for more in a few. Let's now have a look at the templates feature briefly. So, as you can see, my account has about 12 templates. Templates allow you to make audio or a video from already developed concepts. As you could see right here on the right, we have a shoe promotion template, adventure buddy promotion, home delivery promotion template, and more, 12 of them. Based on what you want to promote on a video or audio, you can choose one that suits you. I'm sure that if you are sharp, you already see a way to make money here. But anyway, never mind. I'm going to take you through this. So, without much ado, let's get into the detail. Grab a cup of coffee and sit back as I give a step-by-step description of how to get started with Murf AI. So here on home, what I'm going to do is click on Create Project. So now here we are. You can choose the heading for your project and now choose whether you want to just build an audio or a video project. I'm going to go with audio for now and I'm going to start blank. If you want to use one of these templates, you simply select it and click Create Project. I'm going to create a blank one. Click Create, and then here you go. You're now sent to the Alicia AI voice editor. First of all, I want to show you what these voices actually sound like. So, I'll click on Explore AI Voice, just here on the left. So, as you can see, we have tons of voices which you can choose from. An even good thing with this tool is that you can sort the voice. For example, you can filter on age groups. We have young, middle ages, and kids. You can also sort for male and female, as well as languages, as well as accents. For example, English US and Canada, UK, and more. The list basically goes on and on, depending on whether to speak different accents per language. We can just go from American English. It's the most commonly used. You can choose any language that you like, and you can also filter on male and female. Let's just get into the voices for now. Here, the male, we have a number. Let's maybe try Terrell, which I like. I'll play that for you right now. I think it's fantastic. As you can see, that's a real deep kind of motivational voice. That sounds pretty good. Let's now try another random one. Dylan. Not so bad. So you can try as much as you wish and choose which suits you best for the audio. Let's try one for females. Gender balance for me. You've got Natalie, for example. Perfect. So, for recipe video and audio, I recommend her. So, now let's go to generating our voiceover. So how do you do that? We can click select right here to choose Natalia for our project. You've got multiple options, as you can see right here. It says enter your text here. So, what you can do is you can manually type everything here. So, if you do that, obviously, it's going to take you a while, so you can manually type it within the software or generate using AI like what I use myself. I will paste some script here which I generated from ChatGPT. And then this is very important. Don't put split the script by paragraphs, but put split script by sentences. This is going to make it sound much, much better. And there you go. We now have our script ready inside the software. You can also have the option to import scripts from a document in your PC. So, you can see on the left-hand side, you'll find import scripts. If you click there and you click select the file, you can select the script. You can click open. It's going to upload. And it's then going to automatically put it into the software. You can also decide to add more text to your script. So, what you can do is click right here on Add Block and then paste your text directly into the tool. It's that easy. Remember to make your scripts and sentences. This way you will make the audio presentation easier for the software. So, here we go. So, we now have our script ready inside Murf AI. But how do we generate this and how do we make it better? First of all, you got to make sure that you chose the voice that you want to use. So, currently it is set as you can see here, Natalia. But maybe I don't want to use Natalia. How do I go about it? Simple. I can simply click right here at the top scene. This takes me to the various voiceovers on the software. Let me go with Terrell. But what you want to make sure you do if you change it after you already have another voice selected is clicked on Apply Voice Entire Project. Otherwise, you're going to have to do this manually, sentence by sentence. So, you can click on here at the end of the scene. You see below we have an option to apply to set for the entire project. Ooh, yes, click, and that's how you go about it. So, as you can see in each scene, the profile for Natalia has now been switched to Terrell. This is to say the settings are good. Now, we want to generate audio. You can do that per block individually. So, on this block, if I click here on audio, I'm going to do that for the block individually, or you can do it for the entire project, which you can do by clicking this button right below here. What I'll do right now is I'll click on the big button. As you can see, it is generating audio. So, what it's going to do is it's going to make sure that the voiceover is getting ready as well. It's building the preview and might take some of your time. So, my script with Terrell's voice will equate to 1 minute and 30 seconds of audio. You can click play here on the individual block or the entire video by clicking right here. So, when you click on individual blocks, only the audio for the block will come out. To get full audio, just click below here on the large button. What I'm going to do right now is simply click on play and see what it sounds like. If you click on the timeline, you can actually see the captions for voiceover right here as well. Alright, there we go. Sounds pretty good. It's not perfect yet, but at the same time, not that bad. Now, what do you do if, let's say, you don't like the voiceover as of right now and you want to change the way it says a few words? Well, you can do that by adding emphasis as well as changing the pitch, changing the speed, and adding pauses as well as pronunciation. You can do everything you want to do. Let me see how that works. So, here, you can switch the pitch. As you can see now, you can alter it to a range of -50% to +50%. The same applies to speed. Mine is 0 on default. Another good feature you could utilize is the pause feature. You can customize it to extra weak, medium, strong, and extra strong. To save the setting, you just have to click on the play icon right here. It's going to load the new setting and save them for use. Let's maybe customize the pitch to maybe 17% and speed to 5%. Then save and play. You feel the difference. That's how you could customize your audio to make it even better. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click this word right here. I'm going to double click, then click pronunciation. So, as noted, Murf AI gives you an option to change your pronunciation as you wish. So, here we have a number of options to choose from, and then you can click Create and apply the new pronunciation. Having completed the first block, we can proceed to the next block. Maybe on this block, we can consider adding emphasis on our audio. It's straightforward. You just have to click on this icon on emphasis. You can play around with your cursor at each word to customize to the sound emphasis that best suits you, and then save. So, to each block, customize as much as you can to get the best results. Next one is another feature that could advance the quality of your video. Could you make a guess? Yeah, you guessed right. Background music. Some background music in your audio makes your audio more interesting to hear. Why now could you forego such an important feature when Murf AI provides it? Let me show you how you can go about installing background music into your audio. So, on the left of your screen, click on Add Media. Where does it take us? Amazing! You see here, stock music. So Murf AI has tons of stock music that you can choose from. You can sort them in terms of the recently played, upbeat corporate, real estate, tech business, and cheerful. On the left here, we also have filters for genre, instruments, energy, and more. You can choose your best based on the options. We can try playing one and feel if it's the best fit. So Mindless Curiosity by Remedy. Here we go. We've got so many songs as you can see, but I think this stock music is nice. Let me just use it for fun. So I'm gonna click on the add to the timeline, and there we go. We're gonna have it on our audio right here. So we first build a preview and then play. Let's see what it has to offer. Perfect. The audio is perfect. I did not expect that form of quality. What now are you waiting, friend? Just get started with Murf. You're gonna enjoy and learn more. So, to get started, check on the link in the description below for a free trial and have fun. It's that easy. Now we have our audio complete. What's next? We need to have it in our PC so that at least we can monetize it or use it somewhere else. So, the next thing we do is to download the audio. So, how do we go about it? It's pretty easy. Just click on Export right here, and there we are. Since you just need audio, you can choose voice only or voice with music. So, note that voice only will only give you the audio while voice plus music has got the voice and the background music. So be keen on that. Murf AI also gives you the option to download your audio in full or in blocks. You can also choose the format, quality, and channel you wish. So, what I will do is that I'm just gonna click on Music plus VoiceOver, leave the rest on default, then click Download. That's how easy it is to download the music. But now maybe you want to make a video out of text and you do not know where to start. I'm here for you. Stay tuned as I now take you through the second journey. This one is a bit short and only needs you to be a bit keen. Are you ready? So, let's get right into it. Many of the first steps are similar to text to audio. So, when you create a project, you will choose a video. We start blank and then click Create the Project. Like in the text to audio feature, we just have to paste our script here. And here we go. So, next is you choose the voiceover as we did in the text to audio part some minutes ago. Next is to generate the audio preview. It takes some seconds. So, our audio is about 28 seconds in length. Let's now quickly dive into making a video out of it. So, what I'm gonna do is to click on Add Media. You see where it takes us. So here we have access to stock music, stock images, and stock video. You could also upload some of the files to your PC. As you can see, I have some uploaded files here which I can use as visual images and clips for my video. I also have access to tons of stock music, stock images, and stock videos. Now, what I'm gonna do is to add stock video into my timeline. So, considering that my work is on artificial intelligence, I need some images that have some relation with AI. So, I can type in here. You can see here we have a number of video clips which are related to the subject. So, let me take this one right here. So, I just have to double click on the clip. So, you can see here that I can alter the size of the clip. It's easy. Next, add a timeline. Here we are. Our timeline has the video clip, but it's not enough. The clip is too short. It does not cover the whole of the audio. So, what do? We just go back and add more files. This time, I can add an image to my timeline. So, I just click on this stock image here and then add to the timeline. So, added. Now, let's add another clip video. So, we can use this one right here. Add to the timeline, and that's it. So, we have to do it till the end. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to take your time, choose the best video clips, and add them to the timeline. Always make sure you cover the whole of the audio before moving to the next step. Otherwise, your video might have blanks at some point. So now we can add an image with a programming code. And I think now it's not complete. Let's run a preview so that we can save the visuals onto this tool. We can now run the video to see how much we have done. So just click play right here. So here we go. We got the video. It's nice, but not yet perfect. Would you guess what's missing? Of course you can. The background music. Most of your audience will like some background music. It keeps them engaged and willing to keep listening. And how do you put it? Of course, you got the idea. It's on the stock music. On my left, I can click on Add Media, and now I can access the stock music. Let me have a look at this first one, Seventh Heaven. I think it's fantastic. To add it to the timeline, I just click on Next right here and then Add to Timeline. There we are. We've got the background music on the timeline. Now let's build the preview in seconds and run our video. So, we have the background music in the video. Let's play the video. It's better. Note that you should make the best choice of your background music. Otherwise, the stock music could be useless sometimes. So, now our video is ready for download. Do you remember what we did in the audio? It's the same as here. So, you just have to click on Export and then Download and you will be good to go. The video will be saved into your PC in no time. So far, we have discussed in detail how to make video and audio out of text. I'm pretty sure everything is clear. To create a folder, we use the Create folder. We just have to use the Create folder feature right there. The Create folder feature just works like the normal folder we are used to. You could store all your projects there in a folder, just the way we store files in a folder. I'm sure you understand, right? Also, if you have done a number of projects, they will appear here below on recent projects. So, as you can see, here are some of the projects I've completed in the past. Now, what we are going to do is to use several templates to make videos. The templates got text and image video clips, which we can use to make videos mainly for promotion. The good thing with these templates is that you can customize them to use your own images or text at your own comfort. The templates allow you to do everything you want when using Murf AI. Now, on this homepage, I'm going to click on templates to get started. And here we go. So, we have access to about 12 templates. So, first, we have the shoe promotion template. The visual here is amazing. It tells us much about the template. Of course, the template can help you promote shoes for your shop with perfection. Let's have a look at another template. So here we have a home delivery promotion template. The visual is giving. So, there are many. We have an adventure buddy promo, charging network exchange, fitness assistance app, EV charge app, and more. We are going to go through a few just to enhance your understanding of these templates. So, to be a professional with this Murf AI, some of these tiny features could help much. They may ease the way you make audio or video with Murf AI. That's the reason I want you a bit closer. So, come closer as I start off. So, to get started with shoe promo template, you just have to click on the template right here. So, it says clone, then clone project. Include the name you wish for your shoe promo and click on clone. So, there we are. Now, we have some text on the left and a video on the right, already made for you. So, let's run the blocks and see if they correspond to the clips on the right side. For sure they do. So, note that you can customize the text as per your wish. For example, you can delete all and even add new text. You can do everything you wish here. Feel free. It all depends on what to include in your shoe promo video. Let me show you. So, to add new text to the tool, you can just click on Add a block right here. You see you have the option to add new text. So, as we have done before in the video, you can type in the message on the block or you can just paste some of the text you have. Because I have some content on ChatGPT, I can just paste it here directly. So, we have the text here. Remember, you have some unrelated text just above. Remember, the text for the template. We must remove it to make sure our video makes sense. So, I'm going to do is to delete the text above until now I have my new text on my shoe promo. So, let's now generate a preview and run our text. You can see, the video on the right does not match the text. The video has some text in it that does not match our text. So, what do we do? So, the best thing to do is to delete the video clips and include new ones that match to the text. I hope you remember how we do it. Once you are satisfied with the video, just go to the export option right here to download your video. And now you will have developed a shoe promo video for your business. Isn't that simple? So, this is an easy way to market your shoes. You no longer need to waste more of your cash, hiring a promotion agent to do your promotion. Do it in the comfort of your store by just logging into Murf AI software. Let's now do a new template and see if there's a difference. So here we are, an Adventure Buddy promo. I bet it's easy as ABCD. Let's get started right away. So we start with the clone project option. We can use the default name here and click clone. So, like in the shoe promo, we have a number of blocks plus a video on the right. After playing each block, it's clear we have the audio of everything. So let's run the preview down here. We can now play the video just to confirm what is there in the text. It's actually the same. I love it. It's short and precise. Now let's make one of our own. So, the process is simple. Click on Add Block. Then we directly paste our text here. What next? Delete the above conversations quickly. And now we have our text here. Let's now build the preview and run the video. Actually, this fits perfectly. No modification is needed. I love it. So, you see some templates are best fit for our text, like this one. I don't need to include new clips. It's just fantastic. So, obviously the next step is to export and then download the video so that you can use it wherever you wish. If you're an adventure and travel company, try this template here to promote your product. It's going to save you time and money. For maybe tutors or content creators who wish to do some introductions on the solar system, here is a template for you, the solar system introduction. Let's see what it has. The template format is the same every time and everywhere. So, after playing the video, you can see it's nice. You will still follow the same steps to make your own solar system introduction and finally download it. I'm sure you like Murf AI now. It's going to solve some of your problems as an individual, content creator, or company. So basically, Murf AI will not only solve your problems, but also you can make money with the tool. But do you know how? Maybe not. Let me help you understand. So, we have these two main freelance platforms, Fiverr and Upwork. Have you heard of them? I'm sure you have heard about them. Here you just need to have a good profile and you can get started as a freelancer and make thousands of content at good pay. With Murf AI, your work becomes even easier. You can make YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and audio in minutes at your own comfort. Let's have a quick walkthrough on these platforms. So, here on Fiverr, you can see that over 1,000 freelancers have posted their services here on audio making. You can also join them and make money. Let's have a look at YouTube freelancers. This one is crazy. Over 47,000 people have posted their services. This means there are lots of work on YouTube. Don't be unemployed when there are such chances to make money. Pick up your laptop and start earning right away. On Upwork, now, see how well freelancers are paid for providing audio-based services. Like this guy right here, Nikolai Bogdan, makes $50 per hour as an audio expert. Of course, it's the level of expertise you have now with Murf AI. With Murf AI, you can make every form of audio you want. Now that you are a pro, why don't you get started right away? Let me now talk to those of you who like to put your energy and money into work and gain a high level of interest in the long run. Here's a chance for you. So, YouTube is your place. YouTube may not pay you today, but on some days in the near future, you could make thousands of dollars. So, what do you need? Just your laptop and a YouTube channel. That's enough to start off. From there, you can start posting videos with a high level of consistency, and I promise you in the near days, you're gonna make large sums of money. Remember, Murf AI gives you the option to make a video, provided only you have a good script. You could write down the script yourself, or you could hire a freelancer, or use AI writing tools to make one. From there, follow the skills I have taught you today. Make videos, post them, and wait for the money. Maybe an area I can propose you venture into is the motivational niche. People are already stressed and are looking for videos to relieve their mental pain. Okay? You are not limited to this though, but try it. I promise you the best fruits soon. Do you know that YouTube pays its contractors and content creators through Google AdSense good? Imagine millions of views from your channel. It's very possible. Murf AI makes you a pro in making video and audio. I know they appear like minor skills, but the money around these two skills is ridiculous. Again, insist. Try it today. Below is my description is a free trial of Murf AI for you. If you liked the video, please remember to leave a thumbs up below. Also, subscribe to my channel to get more of my video every time I post them. Till next time, goodbye.